Hello and welcome back to this channel. Today's video is going to be super fun because today we are going to be doing another room tour. There's a lot happening and there's a lot to talk about. So let's go straight into the video. Before we do, please subscribe, hit the bell notification on all so you not miss another video. And please like this video. Let's go and start today's video. Alright, so we have a ton of new plants in here. We're kind of working on this huge idea transformation type of thing that we'll be covering a little bit later in today's video. That we should be starting about 2025, which is going to be super exciting and massive upgrades to the store, or to the grow room. But first we got some lettuce. This looks really good. Really excited to kind of put those into these types of pots. We got some really good basil in here. To be honest, they do feel a little crunchy. I don't really know why, but that's usually how basil feels. That could be getting a little dried out too, and some of those leaves don't look amazing. So I think I'll probably just figure that out as time goes by. But down here, I'm super excited about this because there's a ton of lavender starting to sprout. Not a ton, but for how hard lavender is to actually just germinate and stuff like that, that is super exciting. We also have a lot of just parsley growing. We'll probably get rid of that because we're growing a ton on a different shelf. Over here we have cilantro that looks extremely bad. Really excited about this because we have radish and we have onion bunches. So I actually pulled one of these out the other day to kind of make some, just test it out and see how it was, and see the root system on it. So and these little white parts on it actually smell like onions, so that's really cool. A lot of the carrots are starting to germinate. Really doing good. Really excited about that. Over here we have the blueberry bush, which hopefully will go outside next year. We do have this pot, but to be honest, the soil is too wet and it hasn't been able to dry out yet. So I did end up taking kind of like a knife through it and kind of like just loosening up some of the soil, loosening up a little bit of those roots a little bit. Not amazing, but I feel like they're really growing slow, and that leaf doesn't look very great. You can kind of check that out. But yeah, then down here we have the parsley. The parsley is growing a lot slower than the cilantro, but it does look pretty good. The cilantro is growing a lot quicker than the parsley. Over here we have a ton of microgreens. So these are our last two plants. We have sunflowers and we have pea plants. We'll probably harvest those later today if we have time. And now let's go over to the hydroponics and check those out. Alright, so there's some big things happening with the hydroponics, from a huge idea and upgrading one of the hydroponic systems to an aquaponic system. Another thing is we have taken out some of our strawberries because just the root system wasn't growing anymore, and the plants kind of just dried out like how that leaf looks. Over here, these plants are actually doing really good, and this one's really reaching for the light. That looks really cool. Some of these plants are looking really good. We did have a ton of just microgreens and all sorts of stuff over here, but those really molded away, so we ended up getting rid of those. The oregano is doing pretty good, but to be honest, I kind of wish I was able to get more roots or more plants to actually germinate, because that's not a ton. And kind of talking about the system, this is kind of like an idea to just kind of do a few videos about, but that's how the system will look like. But we're going to start doing a ton of stuff, running vinegar through it, running rubbing alcohol and all sorts of stuff like that to kind of kill as much algae in the system as possible, and maybe some other things that we won't want the fish to have. If you guys don't know what aquaponics are, you can check out some of our other videos that we really explained how it is. And so yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video. If you guys like these types of videos, please subscribe, hit the bell notification on all so you not miss another video, and please like this video. I really thank you all for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow when we post next. Peace.